Good shot. Welcome back to another episode of the Michigan Magnet Man. I am here in Sacramento, California, and I am doing some magnet fishing with Scuba Sonia over here. Now, this is the first time that I've done any magnet fishing in this area, and this spot is pretty historic. We are over by Old Town Sacramento, so hopefully we find a bunch of older things. Now, this area where we are at right now used to be a paper mill way back when, so I'm really hoping that we find some old tools or something out here in the water. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get these magnets in the water. And on my second throw, I've just got a bunch of nails and a piece of cable. And on that find, I've got a Heineken cap and just some scrap metal. And on that find, guys, it looks like I have this little necklace. This is the second necklace I've caught in the past couple weeks. Oh, no way! Skeleton key! Ah!
Man, I just got a skeleton key.
Look at that, guys! You guys just saw I pulled in this little skeleton key from out there. Now, this is the second one I ever found. I found one in Lansing, Michigan, too. But this is my first one, and I'm really glad that I got this here in Sacramento. Today's video is brought to you by Brute Magnetics. Now today I am throwing the Brute Boss, which is the first ever 360 magnet that Brute Magnetics has offered. If you are looking for your first kit or trying to get into magnet fishing, I highly recommend going to www.brutemagnetics.com and using the promo code SurfingUSA10. That'll give you a 10% discount on your entire purchase, and it'll help me out a little bit with all my travels.
Trash. Piece of a plate. Water. That thing's heavy.
Sonia's got this big old piece of wire over here.
Looks like bridge wire. That's so cool. The same thing I pulled up?
Oh, fishing piece. That fine, guys, I've got a piece of rebar, pretty giant, and I've got this little fishing lure over here. And that fishing lure, if you shake it, it rattles. Oh, you got a knife!
No freaking way.
The first weapon of the day.
Everybody knows I love Sharpies. Awesome.
You guys, this woman stays finding knives.
It's my thing. I can't help it. I'm so excited.
Ooh, I almost fucked up your monster.
It keeps slipping off.
I wonder if that's that thing I was talking about.
It's there. Something's there. I can't believe it. Oh my god. My first scooter.
Good shot.
Oh my god. Oh, you knocked it.
Look at that. Sonia got her first ever scooter. Does it still ride? Let's get this magnet off of it. Still rides!
It works.
What do we got here? And on that throw, guys, I've got this old dipstick to something, some kind of vehicle. Let's see, some bottle caps. You know, the biggest find though is this old dipstick for an oil tank. What's that? A battery.
Oh, nice.
I found a little double A in a bag.
Like a part of a bike, maybe.
Variable crispy. And on that find, I've got a AA battery and some sort of bracket, maybe to a bicycle. I got here? And on that find, I've got the plug into a cell phone, some sort of ring. Ooh, I got another key. I also got another part of a skeleton key. I also got a pack of nails. On that find, I've got a carabiner, a spark plug, and a AAA battery.
I got some fishing hooks.
Sonia over here just pulled in a bunch of hooks.
Rock cod rig. Brand new setup. Look at that. Check that out. 2 nice new hooks.
And on that find, I got an old washer.
Had something on there.
Ooh, what's
Oh,
that?
I did it. Part of a bicycle, maybe?
A bicycle?
I
Specialty, whip it. And on that find, I've got a whip it canister. Guys, there's a scooter down there, and I'm gonna get it.
remember, I was so excited. Tanner, luckily Tanner was here and he helped me get it out of the water. Scooter's hanging out right over there. Thank you, Michigan Magnet Man.
That's going to be all for today's episode, guys. If you like today's episode, make sure you guys hit subscribe and get those alerts turned on. I post new clips to my Instagram every single day, and I post new videos over to my YouTube channel every single Friday. Also, if you guys have not gone and checked out Scuba Sonia, make sure you guys head over to her Instagram and her YouTube page. Hit that follow button, hit that subscribe button, and let her know down in the comments that I sent you. I'll see you guys next week.